welcome to my channel if you're new, welcome back if you're not. In today's video I'm going to be doing a what's on my iPhone 13. Every year I do one of these videos where I just show you guys the contents of my phone, and we're doing it again because I got a new phone. Well, I've had my iPhone 13 since July, so I'm gonna show you guys what's on my phone. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to become a baby, and let's get on to the video. But this is my wallpaper. It's just a little picture of me from back when I had my birthday photo shoot. So if you haven't watched that vlog, go watch that vlog. The theme of my phone is actually pink because pink is such a cute color. It's not my favorite color, but it's a cute color. Last year's theme was brown. The year before that was purple. So this time around it's pink. So let's see what's in my phone. So this is what my phone looks like. It's really cute. I think my phone is really cute. Like, it got a lot going on, honestly. Like, it's so cute. I don't know, this looks so cute. Okay, so let's start with the phone. So first of all, on the first slide, if you can't tell, like I said, my theme is pink. So throughout my phone, you're gonna see pink everywhere. So let's just get that straight. So first of all, we have this little widget right here, and it says be real, and it's roses because roses are my favorite flower. I've been on the roses train before y'all TikTok girls was on the roses train. I've been love roses. Like, nobody asked, but like, I don't know. I just really love roses, and they mean innocence. Well, I'm pretty sure the pink ones mean innocence, and was it patience? I don't even remember, but I just like this little quote. It says be real because be real. If you're not being real, then what are you doing? Be real. Okay, then we got FaceTime, photos, camera. Let's see what I'm looking like. Not bad. We got the calendar. It's October 1st. Let's see when this video comes out. And then I got clock. I don't know what this was about, but I have so many alarms for school or just for random stuff. I don't even know what all of these alarms are for, but these are how many alarms I have. Then we have the weather app. I'm not gonna open that because I honestly don't want to show my location, but you should know the weather app literally tells you the weather. Then I got settings. Not gonna click that either because I don't want to reveal nothing personal. We got translate. I don't use it. This is just the basic stuff for real. Find my iPhone files, and then on the bottom, like these little thingies right here, I got my call log, my Safari, my messages, and my Apple Music. And surprisingly, I don't even use Apple Music for like to listen, and I don't know what song this is either. I'm not gonna play it. Like, I use it for, it's so random. I use it when I want to listen to certain songs, but I mainly use, what the heck? Okay, so then we have this little cute little widget smith, and all my widgets in this video are either made by Color Widgets or they're made by the literal app called Widget Smith. But this one, it just matches with the theme because my hair was pink. This was around my birthday time, so if you didn't watch my Sweet 16 video, go ahead and watch that. And yeah, this slide is pretty much boring. It's just like the entrance of my iPhone. And then we have the second slide, and the second slide is where everything is literally at that I use. One of the widget smiths on the top of the screen say self-love will literally solve all your effing problems. Okay, so that's just really cute. I like that, so I added that up in there. And then for my folders, I have health, everyday, editing, education, random, therapy, money, and eats. This is pretty much everything that I use in my phone, and let me go in depth about everything. So if you notice, or if you watch all of like my last two what's on my iPhone videos, some stuff pretty much just stays the same. It sounds crazy, but I don't like change, so I'm not gonna do too much. So first we have health, and then we got the health app. I never actually set it up, but I needed it in here to make a folder. And then we have the calendar app, and the calendar app just tells me when my period is coming, and you know, yeah, so I'm not gonna even open that, but it's a really nice app. I don't use Flow or none of that because I heard they be tracking people and taking information. I'm pretty sure all apps do that, but like, I've been rocking with my calendar since 7th grade, so that's not changing. Okay, next we have everyday. This is what I use every day, or I use it often enough for it to be in this folder. So first of all, we have Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I don't know what this is, but this is my Instagram. Go ahead and follow it. These are my birthday pictures. So cute. But yeah, this is what my Instagram looks like. It's nothing special to it. Like, this is literally just what my Instagram does all the time. So if you're not following it, then you're literally missing out. That's when I hit 1K. Okay, but that's my Instagram. And you know, this is the people on Instagram that I follow. I don't know. Most definitely follow me on Instagram for more. Okay, next we have Snapchat. I don't even use Snapchat anymore. It's just in here because I like to, what's the word? I like to sometimes go in my memories and look back at it. So yeah, but I don't even use Snapchat no more. I don't even like, it's not Snap. What is this? Y'all seeing? Anyway, so next we have Netflix. I'm gonna like blur this out so nobody can see whose Netflix I'm using, because I've been using the same person's Netflix for like 6 years and they don't know I have their Netflix password. So yeah, but this is just what's been going on. I'm pretty sure this is what they're watching, because I don't watch Netflix anymore, and I don't even want to click whatever this is because that's just not my cup of tea. I don't watch that. The only stuff I watched on Netflix was Gossip Girl and no, I watched some other stuff. Vampire Diaries, I forgot. But I watched a good amount of stuff on there. Okay, next we have YouTube, what I'm gonna be uploading this video on anyway. And I don't even watch YouTube, surprisingly. Like, I just watch Gossip Girl, but this is just what's on my recommended page, and this is what's on my channel. So make sure you subscribe to Beyina Barbie. Or I watch my own videos in class because why not? But most definitely binge all my videos, especially when I'm not posting, because why not? But yeah, I don't know how I feel about Twitter. Like, I can't. It's just sometimes I'll get on here, sometimes I won't, but it's a good app overall. And then we got podcasts. It's like sometimes I'll have a podcast phase, and then sometimes I'm just not gonna use this app at all. But I'm not in my podcast phase right now, so I don't even know what's going on up in here. But this is the last podcast that I listened to, called Pretty Basic, and I'm pretty sure that's the last podcast that I listened to last year, so don't even change. I watched some podcasts on YouTube though, but this is all that I got on the other app. But Pretty Basic, go ahead and watch that. I love that so much. Then we have Roblox. I don't even use this app anymore as much as I used to. I used to use it in the summer, but not no more, especially since I'm in school. And then we have Disney Plus. I watch stuff on there, but not too much. But right now I'm watching Proud Family. I love Proud Family. It's so good. So that's what I'm watching. But Gravity Falls too, and this is some other stuff. I share this account with someone, so I'm not always watching this stuff. But Disney Plus, it's a good app for real. I like that app. Okay, and then next we have HBO Max. Right now, that's what I'm watching. I'm using to watch Gossip Girl, and I'm gonna watch Vampire Diaries too. And I share this account as well. All my streaming accounts are shared. Like, if you're buying a streaming account, you're just using it for yourself. And that's not the smartest thing to do. Ask a friend, because one thing about me, I've never paid for streaming service in my life. Okay, but I'm watching Gossip Girl right now. Gossip Girl is my favorite show in the whole world. Y'all, if anybody watches Gossip Girl, let me know, because that show is so good. But I just started watching it again, so I'm on season 1, episode 4. And I think that's all for every day. Now let's get into editing. Okay guys, and then we have editing. So editing is pretty much everything I use to film my YouTube videos. And if you guys ever want a video in depth about how I film and edit my YouTube videos, let me know, because I honestly got y'all, and got anybody who's trying to like make a channel or needs help, I got y'all for real. Okay, so first of all, we have Google Photos. I'm not gonna click on that because that's like another like camera roll, and that's like an invasion of privacy. But then we have Pinterest, and Pinterest is just, first of all, this is what I use to make my phone so cute. And I also love going on Pinterest for like inspiration, manifestation, all types of stuff. Like, Pinterest is just it's one of the best apps because it's so like peaceful. You just come on there, oh my gosh, it's so cute. You just come on here, ignore my pins. Like, I made these pins when I was in 6th grade, so yeah, and I don't even come on this app for real. And we have YouTube Studio. Oh my gosh, they updated the app, and it honestly just shows all my like analytics on every video that I've done, etc, etc. So this is how my channel is doing right now. I'm not monetized yet, but I will be soon. Then we have Fonto. This is what I use to make my thumbnails. I will do a video if you guys want me to on how I do all of that type of stuff. And then I have TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy also tells me like how my YouTube channel is doing, like how many views I got, you know, this, that, and the third. So go ahead and download this app. It used to tell me like how many subscribers I had, but now that I hit 1K, it's just on K now, so I don't really know. I have to go on YouTube Studio. Then I have YouTube Tracker, kind of for like the same thing, to know when it's time for me to get monetized, which is coming up soon. Okay, and then I use Villa. Villa is what I use to make pretty much all of my videos. I also use iMovie too, and it's up in here, but I mainly use Villa. And iMovie is just the app that comes with Apple, so I'll use it to like edit. And then I use Pixar as well to make my thumbnails. It's a pretty cool app. And then we have education. All this stuff is pretty boring because I use all this stuff for school. So we have calculator, Google Classroom, reminders. I'm not gonna click reminders, so I honestly don't know what's even in there, but I use reminders because if I'm like, I don't know what's going on, like I'll put it in my reminders and then I'll know what's going on when it's time to know what's going on. And then I have music. This is where I use, this is where I listen to all my music. I don't have a lot compared to everyone. Like I forget to put stuff in my like library, so yeah, but I have a lot of playlists, and I honestly should have more, but I'm too lazy to just go and like make all of it. So yeah, but that's music, and I really should be using Apple Music, but I don't. Even though I have it, I just don't use it. Then we have Google Slides. I use this for work, so yeah. And then we have PhotoMath. I use that also for work. Then we have Google Docs. This is so boring. Like these are just boring apps. Gmail, I'm not gonna, you know, go into that for room. Then we have Google Drive, Zoom, and then Canvas, because Canvas is what they're having us use now. Okay, and then we have my random folder, and this, I go in here pretty much every day to use TikTok. The other ones, not so much, but they're just here just because. So this is what my TikTok page looks like. So go ahead and follow me on TikTok. I don't even post a lot, but go ahead and follow my TikTok. It's just a lot of cute stuff on TikTok, and I mainly post my YouTube stuff, so go ahead and follow my TikTok, y'all. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Anyway, then we have WhatsApp. I'm not gonna click on that because no, but we have Twitch. So I used to go on Twitch sometimes. Like I don't even know what this is, but I have it. So yeah, I don't even know why I have it, but I do. And I'm not gonna lie, some of the stuff is entertaining, but And then we have Discord. I don't even use Discord that much no more, but I'm in a couple servers, and yeah. Then we have GroupMe. GroupMe is the same thing as WhatsApp, but I use GroupMe to talk to like for like school basically. And then Dropbox, this is this little thing that this guy has sent me for my birthday photo shoot pictures, and I keep the app downloaded so I have them. And then we have the therapy folder, and the therapy folder is basically for shopping, because shopping is literal therapy. So I have Shein, or is it Shein? I don't know, but I call it Shein, not Shein. But my order should be coming soon, but this is pretty much everything on my wish list. Some of the stuff I just put in here, like I don't even know for real, but that's Shein. Then we have Fashion Nova. Shein and Fashion Nova are my go-tos. Like I don't even use the other stuff, but y'all should get the deal by now. These are my go-tos. This is where I get everything from. Then we have Pretty Little Thing. I'm trying to get into that. Like I got some stuff from there before, but them prices are not giving. Let me get into that. So I don't know, but if I ever see anything cute on Pretty Little Thing, I'll get it. But and I do have some cute stuff from them. Like I have these leggings from them, adorable. But then I have StockX. I use this to get my shoes and whatever else. I was gonna get a Telfar off of here, but they be taxing, so I just got it on the website. And then we have Amazon. I have Prime. It's just Amazon for real. It's nothing special about it. It's just regular Amazon. This is the family Amazon, so anything be on here for real. And then we have the money section. I'm not gonna open any of these apps, but I have Cash App, Bank of America, and Zelle. And I need to re-download that because I guess it updated. And then we have Eat. So I have DoorDash. And DoorDash, you know, order your food on there. Then I have the Chick-fil-A app because I have a reward. Ooh. Okay, but yeah, I love Chick-fil-A, and this is the most reliable app, in my opinion, out of all the restaurant apps. Put me on to some more. Then I have Uber Eats, pretty much self-explanatory. And then I have Chipotle, and all of those apps, like, I just use to order food off of. Okay, and then on this side, this is like my widget wall. I never had this before on my phone, but I have it this time, and it's pretty much just like, I don't know, it's so cute. Oh my gosh, what is this? It's so cute. This was never here, the little Pinterest thingy. I'm pretty sure it's because I added it to my pins, but that doesn't even match the theme. But it's just like red, pink, and you know, tints of white up in here. Roses, because roses are my favorite flower. Then I have the little Beyina Barbie with widget smith because that's my YouTube channel, so why wouldn't it be a widget smith? And I just like to be reminded of, you know, my channel because I love my channel. Then we have that same picture of me from the beginning, me with the pink hair, because I feel like that was my best hairstyle. Then we have a little quote. I'll let y'all read that for yourself, but I think it's true, period. I think it's true. Okay, and then we have, I'm pretty sure that's it. Like, there was like a Barbie icon right here because my YouTube channel is literally Beyina Barbie, but it disappeared, so I don't know what that's about. But the roses, I'm cool with that too. Okay, and then if we go to the third slide, this is the getaway slide, like, ever. Like, I don't even know what's going on over here, and I'm not even worried about it for real. We got notes. I'm not gonna open that. We have reference. We got my Bible. Then we have Locket. I love Locket. Like, Locket is such a good app. Like, it's so entertaining. I love seeing what my friends are up to. It's honestly literally so funny. I love Locket. Like, it's so funny. But that's what I got on Locket. And then I have the little battery widget smith because I need to know if my AirPods and my phone are good. And then all of these apps like Keynote, Numbers, Pages, I don't even use that. And then Widget Smith is the app I use to make pretty much all of my widgets, other than, I don't even know which ones other than. But yeah, and then we have travel. I have Lyft, Uber, and I had the Maryland permit test thingy because I was practicing for my permit. Yeah, but I'm pretty sure that's it on my phone. Like, it seems so like, oh, I didn't even mean to drop my phone. It seems so like simple, but yeah, that's my phone for real, guys. But yeah, everyone, that's pretty much everything on my phone. I feel like it's so cute, and it's honestly so different. Like, look at this, y'all. This is so cute. If you tell me this is not cute, you're lying to yourself. I love this. But yeah, everyone, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in next week's video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to become a baby. Bye.